What is up, my family? Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat if you can hear your boy speak. Please let me go ahead and see those A's in the chat, man. Almost lost everybody up in here, man, but we got it back. We got that stream back, boy. We almost lost it all, man. But we're here and we're good. Guys, if you're following the plays from the Discord, let me know right now because you are way in the money on both. Tom R, what's up, man? Lockup, Teaser, Rosie Gray Glasses, US1, what's up, Buzz? Ernie, Zenon, what is good? Ian Tucker, Indian Scout, what's up, what's up? Rocka, man, you're still in, nice. Let's go. Mike J saying, yes, sir. Rocka up 33% up so far on Meta. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Sebastian, what is up, my bro? Good to see you here, man. Steve Mertz. Damn, I didn't even get to see who else commented in the other spot, man. I really feel bad. Katie Cat, how you doing? Ah, Teaser, my boy, man. Good to see you, dude. Let's see. Arca, I have 2K of paper money. What's a good stock to get into today and price? Dude, I actually think, oh my goodness, bro. Okay, I mean, look, this upside here on Apple could be coming back up to 188.97, right? That's a potential there, but hold on. Oh man. Yeah, right here, look, right there, that's already kind of entry number one. I was going to tell you that this could be entry one, and then the next one right here, 189.20, could be entry number two. But I expect Apple, bro. I expect Apple. I mean, at this point, yeah, you can just assume that this thing is just going to continue this cascading effect. I don't think it could reach 185 today, but let me pull up the hourly time frame and see what the deal is. And dude, Meta is another one, man. This is approaching entry right here at around 329.37. If not let me see. Let me go back to my play because this is potentially an entry now. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I stated that it would come back to 328.85 before it continues down to 326. This is literally entry. Or resistance. Okay, yeah. So I said that it was going to drop to 326.88. 326.38. Perfect. Down that it didn't drop all the way to 326. It dropped down to 328.18. The bounce is going to go to 328.85, of which it just did. Then let's see, what time frame was that and where was the EMA 21? I think it was on the daily. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness, man. Gal, how's it going? 329. Yeah, this is that second entry, 329.41. There's no way I could have seen that yesterday. Let's see. Here it goes to 329.41. Guys, this thing is really weak though, okay? This is really, really weak and capitulating, okay? So this is just, you have to try to take what you can at whatever moment, right? Because this is going to continue. There it is, 329.42, 329.40 is right at that potential right there. Okay, but I do expect this to come back down to around 326.33. Let me give you the target. 326.38, sorry. Yeah, so it would come back to 326.38 and then bounce. Okay, so 326.38, that's our pivot right there. That is the invalidation zone. We break 326.38, this thing falls all the way to 323 to 322. This play is just a big morning gainer for the downside, you guys. Okay, so we got that rejection from the 329.41. It's coming back down now. Aiden Davis, what's up, buddy? But I got to tell you, the Apple puts are super cheap, man. There we go. There we go. It's capitulating again. This was the break and retest of the SMA 200 on the hourly time frame, guys. That's a big deal. And you're also breaking below every single range low here. I am going to urge you, team, I'm going to urge you to join the Discord because I tend to put these plays out at random once the trades are easier. Yesterday was all this Fed day. Usually the day after is the easier trade. Man, this is incredible. AMPE could be a big play soon. Brother, Sebastian, let me know why. Bob, good morning. Buzz, I actually wanted to talk to you about crypto plays for the so that you can start driving some people to your community as well from the options from the crypto plays on the Discord. Sorry, my head is a little weird. Okay, yeah, team, it's doing it. Where's Meta at? Okay, Meta is continuing to fall, you guys. If you got that 329.41, you got to be way in the money now. Nice. And I have a potential plan for it, my bro. Finger, northwest. The invalidation zone on Finger is 385. Where the hell is it? You see? And what has it done today? Let me see. Ooh, it bounced. It bounced right off of 3. Okay, hold on. Actually, that's the weekly time frame. Let me go to something smaller. This is the daily time frame, and it's already reached the low on the daily of 398. Let's see the 12-hour. Yeah, the low of 398 even still. Brother, I got to tell you, man. I am definitely not comfortable with FNGR or NVOS. Both of those plays are feeling like they are going to tank. Meta coming back to entry at 329.41. Apple still continuing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P 500 futures. Okay, here's the SPY. It is suffering. Okay, yeah, there we go. This is the hourly time frame SMA 200 test. Okay, we're gonna make that really visible here. There we go. And what is the hourly doing in comparison to the linear regression? Let me see. These plays, team, were meant to be fast gainers. Completely blew through the SMA 200. Oh, right. I understand. I get it. So this, man, this is incredible, brother. I can't believe it went all the way down to the linear regression bottom. My goodness. It's no wonder why it's blowing above the SMA 200. We got to see how this is going to react. After I'm giving this about 47 minutes. We got to see what's up. As soon as we gain clarity again, team, another run. Let's see this right here. I am looking, Sebastian, I'm looking at your, if you're still in here, bro, let me know why, but I can see your picture or your screenshot. It is a descending broadening wedge. Okay. Yeah, now that we have a little bit of time, we're okay, cool. ASRE is at 37 cents. Nice. All right, good. Yeah, now that we have a little bit of time, let me go ahead and take a look at your play. Hold on. Damn, look at this. CYTO completely falling. My goodness, bro. I think it wants to catch that invalidation zone at 46.19. Watch out with CYTO if you're in it, man. I need to keep an eye on that too, huh, Zenon? Thank you, bro. Yeah, this is the test of resistance, guys. This is all resistance up in here. And honestly, this could SMA 200 on the hourly time frame. It could be beat just a little bit here, right? But that's the ES kind of forcing things to the upside a bit here. It's about to get an inverse crossover on the EMA 21 and EMA 55. Let's see what it does to recover or what it does to maintain its downside posturing. Per the targets that we spoke of in the Discord, let's see. Apple, I said, okay, let's see. Long puts, favor trade, 187.50 strikes to open between 189.96 and 190.69. Let me go back to the play. Yeah, we're about to hit. Oh, no, 189. Oh, sorry, up here. I don't know that it can reach all the way up there, brother. It really does kind of lay within the S&P 500 futures. Let me see. Let me actually pull up the SPY as well. I mean, 4-hour time frame SPY. We're starting to expand ever so slightly here. We have a downside pivot as well. This is it doesn't look too strong. It looks like it's the morning volatility taking a break here because it was so damn crazy. I mean, we talked about entry between 189.96 and 190.69. Price action reached all the way up to 190.31 and started capitulating, and it got the 189.14 perfectly, which was our first take profit, right? That was already the play. This continuation to the downside is good, I guess, because then we'd be able to come back and test and validate the breakout from this wedge. So the breakout from the wedge, we're at the resistance of that line right now. Okay, so that means that if we validate this and if we confirm resistance with the SMA 200 and the trend line, that means that this play is going to get ready to capitulate all the way to 185.67. So this is a massive downside play, right? So you can play this. You can play this you can play this by riding the waves. You know, you can also hold all the way, sure. But a lot of times I put together a one take profit so that in case you're feeling nervous or you want to take partial profit, you can. And it's okay if it doesn't, because we still have the SMA 10 and the EMA 21 somewhere between 189.60 and 189.70. But the hourly time frame SMA 200, this is the first break beneath it, right? So you can see that we started bouncing off of it right here, and now we're failing it, and now we're coming back up to test it. Let's see if it can, right? The hourly time frame is a relatively small time frame. So this right in here, right? How's Meta doing? Okay, Meta's still lingering around the entry points. 329.90. Oh, 329.41 is what we spoke of, right? It's coming back up to other resistances. Let's see what it's got. Let me pull up in the smaller time frame, the 6 hour. And let me get some moving averages and see what it's doing. Okay, yeah, resistance of the EMA 55 in progress. And that's to remind you, just to give it to you like this. 19 minutes ago, yeah, I'd say about 19 minutes ago, we got a closer beneath the EMA 55 on a 6 hour time frame. So this, sure, it would come back and validate that resistance before a continuation. Still looks massively weak. So look at this, okay? Observe this because this is going to be the answer for your options contracts. Increasing volatility and barely exiting the critical contraction zone. With a downside pivot like this is one massive downside setup. Notice here that you have a trending market getting closer to the 25% with DMI minus on top. Extremely strong for a downside trend. Let's take a look at it, Buzz. And you know what? I kind of sort of messed up on. I still haven't heard of him though. Where the heck is Sebastian? But let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Sebastian knows he's got me. So let me go. Geez, new keyboard. All right, let's do. NVAX. Let me go to the daily time frame. Man, come on. Here we go. I want to see what it's doing. Just a sec. This feels... Whoa, hold on. Am I seeing this correctly? Yeah, I think it's breaking down right now. I think NVAX is literally on a breakdown and validation of resistance right now. Hold on. Let me see. No way. Hold on. Okay. Are you short this asset? Double X, what's up, buddy? My little guy and the family are doing fine, man. I hope you and yours are doing okay. Very good to see you here. Buzz, are you going to get short this asset or what? Let me know. Let me know. I'm still watching out for you. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Apple is now starting its descent again to our take profit number 2. We already got take profit number 1. And to be honest, that could have been 189 to 189.14. Yeah, that could have been a potential 30%, 40% gainer on the first set of puts. Right now, we're getting the validation of the SMA 200. Entry could have been at 189.28-ish or 189.20. Are you bullish on the asset? Holy crap. I gotta switch up the plan if you are bullish this asset. You definitely gotta let me know, bro. Let me see. Oh man, it's at resistance right now, actually. Okay, this is not, dude. Hold on. First of all, it broke down prematurely. So this is test number. I mean, the thing is that if we use these two as resistance, then it would only be 2 tests. But if we used this here, then technically this is test number 3. So we have test number 1, 2, and 3. Why don't we just kind of respect that for now? So that means that you're in the process of validating a resistance right now. Entry for short, 553 to 555. Downside target, take the trend line from the top side of the formation to the bottom side. Apply it to the candle that would be the one to break. It would actually be the one next to it, right? Not this one. Bottom side target 519. and it looks like it has an all-time low. Is it really on the all-time low of that? No, hell no. Okay, it still has way. Oh, okay. Validation of resistance at these gaps. So 563 potential entry. And then there's one more entry at 578. Could be a little deeper. If that actually happens, then you're going to get the support from the hourly time frame channel right up here. So if you go to 570 something, right, that's going to be around the center of this formation here. That means you would have reclaimed the inside of this. Then you would validate support at 554 and then come back. Hourly time frame is an incredibly important closure right now, because in 35 minutes, that's going to tell you everything, okay? I'm going to show you. In 35 minutes, if you close this candle anywhere above this target right here, which is 552, this thing is going to flip bullish and reclaim the channel and potentially invalidate it. Okay? But I want you to be aware of a couple things that are going to be kind of tricky. First of all, hold on. There's some trickery happening here, man, because it can be a very choppy looking, herpy derp right here, right? You have that, what the heck is, oh my goodness. I keep on pressing the G keys on this Logic keyboard because I keep on thinking it's my control. I'm so used to the control being all the way to the bottom left. All right, so this could be a potential head and shoulders, right? So if you had the linear regression bottom down here, then this could be presenting a potential bear trap. And this was the entry long. Right, so if that's the case, right? Let's see, so it's a play, and I think that it may be rough with the switch to, it's gonna switch to T+1. What is it at now, T2? They're gonna go really transparent like that? It's good, dude. Why is that negative? That would be a bullish thing. People want further, faster settlement. Guys, is anybody in the chat right now that just joined Discord, Mr. CIP Shares? Say hello. Rosy gray glasses, is it moving down? My goodness, here I go again. There we go. Got the validation of the EMA 55. 6, yeah, man. Yeah, this is very likely going to continue here. Justin, how you doing, brother? Thank you so much for, I just wanted to make sure that it was actually someone here. Thanks, bro. Really nice to see you, man. You already got, let me see. Yeah, it looks like you already validated the validation or whatever thing, the security, the verification, sorry. All right, cool, dude. Senor Pennington, hello, team. Susan, I'm sorry. Good morning, sub. I got you. Yeah, Rocka, you're Senor Pennington? I got you. Gal, I got you. Hold on. Guys, I'm just going to post the Discord invite link here. There you go, you guys. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just want to make sure that. Thanks, Justin. I really appreciate you. It's just, I don't even know how many people there are now, but let me see. I think it's around 2,000 members in the Discord, and I really need to make sure that we that we protect everyone in there. Like I'm like security and all that stuff. I'm really no joke about it, man. That's a lot of people, and the you know the YouTube is also growing like crazy, and so is the Twitter X account. It's just so many more people are diving in, right? So we have to make sure that security stays kind of tight. Yeah, Meta with this straight capitulation, man. Awesome. So sorry, let me come back to this. And yeah, so I was talking to you, Buzz. Let's see, Arca orders. He did? Really, Ian? No. I haven't seen it, bro. When did he just mention me? Bro, I know he's probably upset that I put that up, dude. Ah, damn it, man. I don't mean any harm, dude. I knew I was gonna, and I already lost a few people too. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna quote him, and I'm gonna respond. So everybody can actually see here live too what I'll say. Right, I know that this type of thing gets a lot of attention, right? Because you know, Daniel Borders, he's part of the panel of billionaires, and him reaching out to me to do this, of course, you know, I will honor that. So so many retail. Okay, how does that sound? Can you guys read that? Where's my comment? What the heck just happened? Did you guys just see that? What the heck? Wow. No way. That's so annoying. Ugh. Yeah, I just got X. What the hell is that? I feel like I'm going to be more lax now. Jeff, you... Oh, really? Wow. It's just, oh my goodness, man. What the heck is going on here? Let's see, many team members are asking me. Open anyway, right? All right, before I freaking lose it. Damn it, man. There's so many. All right. Yeah, you guys, I'm sure you're seeing like my notifications. There's so many, like, I haven't like replied to like anyone. So every one of these that you see like without a heart or without a reply or something, that's like me, all the things that I need to reply to, right? So it's just, it happens, man. Okay. Buzz, keep an eye on this, man. 25 minutes to close above this target here of about 552, right? Get that closer above 552. The asset will move up higher. It would likely start testing the resistances of about 560 to about 565. Yeah. Joey Bryson, quick play on Apple this morning and writing Meta down. Thank you, Arca, for these plays. My bro, you are very welcome. I am happy. I forgot for a quick second. Okay, good. Yeah, so Meta, I'm still super bearish this asset, my brother. Apple as well, man. Very, very bearish. And they are likely going to bring the markets down with it, man. It's a huge plays to the downside. So let me get back to, yeah, so Buzz, you remember what I just said, right? All right, cool. As long as you do, my brother. So, sorry, who was, man, I totally, Ian, thanks, dude. Who? I don't know about your Twitter so much. Yikes. Damn it, dude. I can see how this can apply pressure. Wow. All right, so he replied actually just now. Here you go, team. Let me bring up the screen again. So Borders just replied to me saying, not upset. I was pissed yesterday when they filed the NT10Q form and I didn't hold back, but got satisfactory answers to my questions, obviously with no material, non-public information in those. But we're holding to see what they can and cannot deliver. Okay. Some retail reached out. Okay. All right, team. So, Brad, I just, I'm trying to be as transparent to you as I am to everyone else, right? So, and I don't want you to think that I would be avoiding any type of question or whatever, man. You know, I respect Daniel Borders. He's doing his thing. I got to do mine too, right? But I think he approached the situation just right. I know he's not really a charts guy either, right? So given the knowledge, given that very fact that he's not a charts guy, and he would approach me in the way that he did, it's absolutely respectful, and I condone his demeanor. Off-Grid Gorilla, my brother. Dude, thank you so much, my bro. That's very nice of you. I appreciate you so much. Dude, look at those gains. Oh my goodness, man. Yes. Ian, him and I have spoken in, him and I have been guest speakers on some of these space calls, and we have exchanged words several times, and he's mentioned that. He's mentioned that he respects my analysis. He's not a charts guy, right? But he has mentioned that he respects my analysis. And I mean, dude, he knows I'm doing my thing for retail. He knows that I'm not a short like that, right? Of course, I can play short and I can play long. But what I'm trying to say is that he respects it, dude. I'm sure he does, and that's humbling to me. Rosy Gray Glasses. SPY is moving down. Sorry, somebody asked me for. I'm sorry. Did somebody ask me for LMDX? Steve, Arca, I know you don't want to do much with these, but could you check MINM for me? Yeah, let me do both of those actually, dude. I will. You have a small position. You're in at 6. Yeah, we still have some time, you guys. We still have 20 minutes to make a decision here on the SPY 2. I'll go back to it. I'll check it out. Let me take a look at MINM and LMDX. I think somebody asked, Green Mountain asked me. So LMDX, right? And this was the heavily manipulated one. And the other one was MINM. No, damn it. I'm still. Oh my goodness. MINM. Are you serious? It is up 800%? Okay, okay. Wait. I mean, if you're in... I'm sorry, where did you get in? 690? How the hell are you not out, brother? Dude, that is a massive gainer. Brother, these are usually called... Dude, you are 24% up. These are called gap up fades. They usually gap up and they fade. And I may be wrong on this, of course, brother, but this is too much. Brother, the real Ace Wang, what's up, buddy? Let me put it up so I remember. Damn, look at meta, you guys. Look at meta. Man, I have not one single freaking settled dollar to play the plays that I've given you today. Man. RF, let me see. Raka, you're up 60% on meta, my bro. Yes. You're very welcome, my brother. I'm happy that you're gaining these gains. RKFL. There's no way that I was not gonna post that play last night, man. Way too obvious. It was an A setup, man. B+ A setup. Dude, I wish I had that, bro. I wish I had oil money, man. Woo! No, let me rephrase that. I don't, because I think if I did, I would probably not be as good a trader. Wait, let me rephrase that now. I think that if I had all that money, I wouldn't have the ambition to try to do better for retail, which pushes me to be a better trader. How about that? Off-grid gorilla, dude, I know, man. You're right, brother. You're right. I did play it with you, man. I did play it, and you were so kind. So huge. Guys, our KFL break of that SMA 200 on the 6 hour, huge. But hold on, LMDX. On TAL, I'm not seeing any resistance until 19 or currently at 1255. Let me add it in here. What is that again? TAL? I assume you're looking at the daily. You gotta look at the, yeah. That doesn't mean that there's no resistance. It's just very little resistance, right? But you would need to pull up. Yeah, you're currently breaking the resistance right now. So the support level is located at 1234. So this actually may continue its run to the upside from here. Let's see. How close? 15. Hold on. It's just everything is so overextended, but it still has upside. Very overextended. Everything is red hot. But yes, this your next resistance zone is highly like, oh wait, there's more historical price. Hold on. There's the resistance. 1395. You're looking at the highs of about January 2017, and it's confluent to the highs of October 2016, right at about 13. Let me see. I'm gonna favor this one. 1398. Strong resistance there. Let me see. Then 1674 to the bottom wick there. Hold on. To 1736. What is the low? This is a quick one, man. This is really obvious. 1925. I need the low. Come on. There we go. 1730. Okay. Yeah, so those are the resistances that I'm looking at. So meaning that price action is sitting at 1265. When it reaches the 1399, also aka $14, naturally it would pull back. And it would pull back to potentially here, 1233, before a continuation to the upside and eventually reaching the resistance here. You're going to have tiny resistances on the way. Okay, there's one at 1538 to come back to the 1399. Okay, so I'll just draw it in there. All of these are pertinent resistances on the way up. But they're not major resistances. They're just tiny roadblocks. Sebastian, there you are, man. Wait, I'm not understanding. Oh, Kristen. Hey, Kristen, how are you? Arca, you are so sincere. Appreciate all you do for retail. All right. Whereas Trimbath prefers Doctor. Oh, right. It's so household investors, man. That's, yeah. Man, I thought I was gonna get Daniel Borders a little upset over what I said, right? But he was kind enough to reply in a very, very humbling manner. So yeah, Brad, it's just a zigzag, okay, my brothers. But yes, I'm very bullish this asset. So let me look at LMDX, right? Green Mountain asked me, and I'm over here just messing up. So it looks like we're breaking that. I don't remember exactly what this is, but it is a resistance range. It is between 1402 and what is it here? 1430. So we're breaking that to see if we can test it and then use it for an upside continuation. You're out on Meta? Let me just double check real quick. Let's see. Okay, Apple, guys, come on, man. I hope you're still holding your Apple, because this thing, man. Oh, dude, we have a long, long way down. Okay, Rocka, yeah, that's pretty good, brother. I think it's definitely a good place to cover. The plan is still 322.85 to 323.50. I have high conviction that the entry from 328 all the way to 323, multiple point move on one day. This is very likely for it to happen. So guys, remember, take it from me. I don't have. I know Off-Grid Gorilla was so kind enough to share his winning with me. That's nice of him, right? But remember, I'm not trading a single dollar right now. So you guys, oh man, good, Katie Cat. I definitely am super bearish Apple. Okay. But yeah, and it continues to capitulate. It's continuing to fall. These are all stop losses getting hit, team. All of this was expected. So let me go back. Right, let me go back to. Damn, man, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just over here like in awe that we were able to just. Guys, if you're in this from 189.96, man. I am talking about massive gains on your options contracts today, team. So guys, just please know that this is definitely something that you will learn in the ArcMasters trading course. A quick little shill there for you guys, right? So this is a 16-week mentorship that I just reopened again, right? And I promise you guys, I know that the last time I told you that was going to be the last one, but getting those messages, I hope all of you listen right now. Don't send me the message, man. Don't try to make me cry over here, because that's exactly what happened this time, okay? I cried. I'm like, what the hell, man? Facing losses on FNGR, facing losses on this, facing losses on that. You guys, we're not supposed to be trading these little assets, but it's, I'll try to help you. But please remember, we got still some seats left over for the ArcMastersCourse Track 4, which will be due to start in January, right? So we'll get I tried to fit as many I could on Track 3. That was 35 people, right? So we got all of them in. So now I opened up another 30 seats and they're already going. Okay, so please reach out to me, and we'll get you enrolled. I'll send you the syllabus, the disclaimer, and all that good stuff. But team, we will be able to identify massive plays like the ones that we're playing right now. Yeah. ASRE, man, still holding the top side right here. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth here on ASRE. This is, I don't know if you've noticed that I've been talking about its sensitivity and its sympathy to the broader markets, right? So if we go over here, the broader markets are not exactly doing so good, right? Which we were able to already determine since yesterday, which is why we're playing the Meta and Apple puts, right? So seeing that you have ASRE maintain its 37, it even went up to 37.40. Despite the broader markets doing what they're doing, is incredibly impressive. So I only went half position on both Meta and Apple. Back in both now. Off-Grid Gorilla. Don't you tell me Sensei for no reason. Don't you call me, amen. Dude. This was I said it earlier that these were B+ A trades. These were almost too obvious. These were bank shots completely. Bob, it's not looking too good. Let's see how it's oh my goodness, man. I need to get to LMDX right here. Green Mountain's gonna fire me. My goodness. Dude, look at that LMDX, man. Oh, did I say that we could? Just real quick before I go to the real, what time is it? 7:53. Oh my goodness. Okay, resistance levels 1597 to 1650. on LMDX. Be very careful when reaching that target right there, okay? But this, I think that's going to be a short-term pullback area. Why? Because we're in the gravitational zone as we speak on the 6-hour time frame RSI. We're about to get another thrust. So that means that this could actually pull back just ever so slightly. And then that was the entry. Damn it. I was going to say ever so slightly to our bottom support of 1434 and literally just grabbed it, right? And then I think it could actually try to make its run up to the SMA 200 6-hour at about, my goodness, man, 1998. Arca, what would Crown call that candle? Which, this one here? Bob, damn it, man, you're going to make me say that? He calls it, he calls them the green dildo parties, man. That guy's a fool, man. Oh my goodness. What you mean? What do you mean? Dude. Oh man, he's a funny guy, man. I respect him greatly. Arca, big thank you for that meta play. I cracked. No, you crushed. You cashed in a 117% profit. I'm sending MastersCourse payment right this second. But guys, that is incredible to know, my brother. I appreciate you for saying that. And massive shill for the ArcMastersCourse 16-week mentorship. You guys, we will learn all this, man. I can't believe. Guys, I love that you post it too. I love that you post your gains and let me know the percentages, right? But my, oh my, is this, we are not done. Yeah, Major, come up, dude. Huge play. Okay, so, let me look at, I still have the other tickers to look at, but I was getting asked the question because it's about 2 minutes left. Right, so let me bring up the spot. Oh, man, of course it would be doing that on the hourly. All right, so it did reach our bottom target, but I have to warn you about something here. It is conditional that in 3 minutes, this candle closes. Yeah, the condition would be to close 454.33 above it, right? For a reversal, or not, maybe an upside, a temporary upside. I don't know about reversal just yet because this is a lot of capitulation. Right, so now if it closes beneath 454.33, 2 minutes 45 seconds, then we have a continuation to the downside, and we'll likely have to move up the LRC to a bi-hourly LRC or 3-hour or 4-hour. Flame, it looks like it's stalled, right? Is it still at that 37 mark? And it looks like it may actually, I mean, 2 minutes and 20 seconds, anything can happen there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like, man, it feels like it's going to be able to knock it out, man. But the SPY, everything is so volatile right now. We recognized this yesterday too. The head and shoulders. So we're breaking the shoulders regression right now. I mean, we just rejected from it. 1 minute and 30 seconds and okay. You see how this candle's getting closer and closer to this edge? The closer we get to this border here, then now the thing is if we close beneath 455.14, if beneath it, this is a downside play again. Right? If Zenon, that is a very, very strong question. And I'm not even afraid to tell you that I have no idea. The thing is that those targets that I posted are very aggressive. I am talking about, dude, yesterday. You understand how nervous I felt putting a 10-point move target to the downside here? Like, dude, I like in my head, I'm like, damn it, bro. Like, you better deliver. Like, that's nerve-wracking as all hell to me. So I'm like, calling a 10-point move on Meta is kind of a big deal. You know what I mean? So that doesn't happen often, and not a lot of traders are able to do that. So me being able to, I just don't know. Like, that's a tough question, brother. That's a really, okay, look at this. 6 seconds. This may move up just a little bit more to validate this 455.20 a little bit further upside before a continuation to the upside. Maybe. So this is a bearish play. Yardline, good to see you here. Damn it, I hate that you got the computer issues, but they're resolved now. You're good. Rosy Gray Glasses, take a look at this. Okay, here's a tip. When they're all facing the downside, let's try to find where the RSI signal is above the 14, the SMA 14. Let's find it. Let's find a support. So we're in the 12-hour. It's still below the SMA 14. There it is. It's on the daily. But the daily feels, yeah, I mean, it could see the RSI signal is in the gravitational zone for downside. But you have on the opposing side, and within the gravitational zone, the support of the SMA 14. So this is a short-term downside here. Actually, in a daily time frame, this drop is pretty significant, though. That could be a retest of all the way to 453 if it so chooses to fall. And remember that the smaller time frames cascade into the larger ones. So the harder the pressure from the shorter time frames into the larger ones, the more likely your larger time frames will realize their pivot. The earlier time frames pivots, like the downside suggestion or the upside bias. But yeah, you guys, this is feeling. I mean, look at this. You're incredibly overbought here on the daily, and it's starting to shift towards the downside, and you're getting just massive contraction here. Sebastian, I'm gonna break a rule. Let's do it, dude. Where's your position on AMPE? Dude, this is so damn volatile. This is a disaster. What the heck is going on there? You're in at 270. 30-minute time frame correction. It feels like it's corrective with resistance. That's the SMA 10 resist. Yeah, the SMA 10 is resisting right now. We just printed a huge shooting star on a 30-minute time frame. So if this candle closes anywhere beneath its opening of 297, this is that's validation, and it would be a bearish buy formation. It would be then shooting star paired with bearish engulfing. So which is why I'm seeing upside and downside suggestion. It's neutral. It's like an indecision candle. Let me see the 4-hour if it's an indecision. Sort of. We have, like, they look like indecisions, but this looks more like a freaking hammer now. See the 6-hour, and there, look at that. Look at the 8-hour. A huge indecision. And it's got 1 hour to close, less than an hour to close this 8-hour candle. John, good to see you here, my brother. Let me see a 12-hour. Meta looks to be rejecting off of the previous support. Oh, good. It's validating it for the continuation. The zigzags are really moving here. Oh my goodness, there's so many people reacting to that post, to me and Daniel. Let's see. Is it really? Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Yeah, hold on. Let me see the 8-hour. Sebastian, this is a bearish formation, bro. This is not what you think it is. It is descending, but it's right angled. This is a right-angled descending broadening wedge. So yeah, dude, this is test 1, 2, and 3. Sebastian, dude. Bro, oh man. I know you know what I'm thinking right here. Let me see this. I'm trying to find it in another way, bro. I really am. I'm trying to invalidate my own play here. Holy crap. Dude. Okay, so this has a larger perspective, dude, and it's very, very bearish. And I will show you why. This thing is playing out the way it should, dude. It is 100% playing out the way it should. This is a textbook play, bro. This is a breakout from 75% to the apex of the triangle. This was supposed to be a bullish reversal, but huge fake out, and the trap was the SMA 200. This candle here is the resistance grab again of this top side. So let's start measuring our targets. This was your breakout here. So target number 1, obviously met. Right, so let's get target number 2. I would say right about here. Let's apply it to the breakdown point. Yeah, I mean, obviously it got it too. Not direct, yes, I see some correlation, but not directly correlated. And also this target. This would be the final one. So in all reality, this would be the target, 132. Netflix dropped hard. Danielle, how you doing? Let me see the moderator. Sorry, I wasn't looking, bro. I see it. Ah, man. Okay. This is gonna be triangle, right? Bear triangle. And let me do wait a second. Bro, are you on log or no? Seb, are you on log? Because, dude, so far I'm pretty bearish this damn play, okay? But I want to know that I'm trying to mimic your drawing, okay? And it's like, for me, it's coming out as a damn channel. This is it. This is your... I think I see your... Okay. Is this what you're looking at? Is this what you're looking at though? I would adjust it just ever so slightly. Let me see. That's the I think this is as best as I can make it, right? And this is it. Hold on, let me see it on a 5-day. It's too many resistances. And while I do see it, I also feel I guess in a higher time frame I'm not feeling that anymore. The forcing of the formation. But dude, I'm still being led back to this. I'm still being led to this. Dude, yeah, Seb, I'm not the biggest fan of the play. But if we were to respect what it's doing, then it's it would be playing it right. And you would be right. There would be a bullish upside. There would be an upside here. So seeing that we have test number 1, 2, 3, this is the capitulation after 3, and we're building up to 4. The play can be played for both. It can be played upwards or downwards. It doesn't have it's just when they come up, I've usually seen them as bearish. But they're neutral. How the heck is the SPY holding up, you say? Man. I mean, the daily opened up at 455. It dropped to 454.02. Wow. Yeah, it dropped over a point down and then recovering. So what happened to Meta with those? Oh my goodness. So Meta still. And Apple as well. It does not care. Meta and Apple together, man. Both of those are. I don't think the SPY is going to be able to hold it for too much longer. That's way too much. No, bro, I don't know. Seb. Hold on. To me. No, did you not hear what I just said? I said that you would be right. That this is prepping for the test number 4, except that in a smaller time frame. Here's your other broadening wedge, right in here. So the one that we were looking at earlier, this here. Yeah, see it? So if let me see momentum. I remember this being corrective. Okay. Bi-hourly time frame. Tom, I agree. That's usually pretty bearish. But momentum is in the gravitational zone for an upside continuation. Let me see the 4-hour. Oh, dude, the 4-hour is massively bullish. The 8-hour is stupid bullish. Yeah, and the 12-hour is also very bullish. The only thing that they're lacking is the trend strength. They're very low in their trend strength. But so the fluctuations that we're getting, to the upside and to the downside here, they're all kind of being looked at only in the immediate short term. So the immediate short term should resolve after lunch, potentially. And then this would start choosing then it would start choosing its thing. Okay, so for now I think it would be better for us to wait till 42 minutes and then into lunchtime we'll see what it's gonna do. All right, my bro. But yeah, so guys, congratulations to you if you took the Meta long puts play. Rocca over here, man, flexing his 116% gainer on this, brother. Congratulations to you. And Apple still capitulating, team. Remember that these were plays that we put up in the Discord earlier. So if you and remember that the Discord is here's the link. If you would like to join, here you go. Teaser, what's up? And for those of you who are new to the chat, please remember that I did just open up about a week or two ago 30 more seats to the 16-week mentorship with me. And send me an email and I'll go ahead and get you situated. I'll pass you the syllabus. I'll pass you the disclaimer and all that good stuff. And it should be Track 4 students, they should be starting in January, fresh for the new year. And also know that I will not be continuing a team. I really need to focus on trading. I'm going to get my Dash Trader up literally tomorrow. So this would be the last class I ever teach. And from their team, we shall continue trading. So reach out to me, team, and become a part of this. As you would, let's see, track 3 students would be 100 students of mine already. And track 4 would solidify 125 students total. Roy, what's up, buddy? GDC? Let's take a look. Okay. This feels, in a sense, it feels bullish, but hold on. Why was this running so hard and then it stopped? Was there something negative released about the asset? Because it's practicing this really I'm gonna show you something. Let me just block out here the LRC. Dude, what the heck is going on? Okay. This is like all, it's kind of like a Wyckoff reaccumulation. I don't even practice that, but it's very similar to it. We have some shakeouts. But to show you here what it's really doing, I think that it's in a chop box and it's currently stuck. This is the primary area of trading right now. So if you're able to identify trends like this, I mean, this is 310 to 360. What's the upside on that? 16%. 16% up. My goodness. And that would be a 13 spot, 8% downside. So if you're range trading this, damn, I mean, that I know you know what I'm talking about. You could really play this up and down here. It's A, B, C, D all day. Yeah, I really mean that. I'm sorry if you're not familiar with the strategy, then it's pretty much this, right? And actually, this would be your C, right? So then this would be technically your D would be take profit at 362 again, right? So it's playing an ABCD strategy. It's one of the most guys. The little lady just showed up. Hold on, just a moment. Let me go ahead and get her exiting the building here. Just a moment, team. All right, team, we are back. What is up, you guys? All right, let's take a look here. Danielle, which one are you talking about? AMPE is moving up. Oh, guys, come on. Look at meta. Guys. Oh my goodness. Team, if you are in the meta puts, this is your exit right here. Talking about a move from 328 to 322. We met the targets. Congratulations. Congratulations, team. Rock, I told you, man. I told you that the play was the play. 323.50 to 322.85. Congratulations, team. I am very excited for you if you definitely got this play. Super stoked. Super stoked for y'all. Apple is next, and this one is going to probably take maybe another 2 or 3 days to reach down to this target, but team, we nailed it. We nailed it. 100%. Rocca, you're happy, my brother? Oh, man. I just got out of those puts, got in at 38, out at $140 per put. Team, Joey Bryson entered the trade with $38 puts and exited with $140 puts on this call out. Let's go. Joey, you mind sharing what the percentage gain was? Daniel, I feel that. Team, that is 100% the play. Congratulations to everyone. Let me just go ahead and take a screenshot here. Got to put it up in the Discord because this was absolutely the play all the way to our targets. Look at it bounce. Oh, that is amazing. That is amazing. Oh, man, that is incredible. June, how do you join the play? So I usually post up my plays or say them out loud every day on a stream, but last night was very special because both Apple and Meta showed an extreme amount of weakness. Right? So this was entry this was entry right here for Apple, and it's currently sitting way down there, right? So for the long puts. Meta, yeah, the entry was around here at 329.41. I think I let everybody back in around there. And then it just capitulated all the way down, right? So this was a multiple 100% move for lots of people. But what are you asking me how to join the Discord? I can put a link there for you. Hold on. I just have to share on my Discord real quick for the team. All right. Just a sec, team. I'm going to tag everyone. Happy for you, fam. Team. All right, it is posted. June, let me get you that. Joey Bryson, you got a 268.42% gain today. Mike J, you traded Meta twice and did a 75% total. Guys, that's incredible. LMDX is still riding up there? Oh my God. Off-Grid Gorilla just sold my Meta puts. The Meta play today was 128% gainer. And what does that mean for you, Off-Grid Gorilla? I know that you're about to say that that's going to be the 4th day in a row with 100+% gainers. Man, Arca Bulls team coming through. I don't know how else to say it, man. That is so awesome. Oh no, Chad. I am very sorry to hear that, my brother. Yeah, man. We'll get him back. We'll get him back. And Teaser saying congrats everybody to the Green Day. The Green Gang. That's gangrene? No way. Joey Bryson said, "Yes, sir. Would have got out before then, but my boss pulled up and you were talking to him. Had my stop set to get back in the truck and had massive gains. Only downhill, dude. You would have bought more, man. I just want to point out the fact that last night I posted the plays on Discord." When I do that, that means I have enormous conviction, because I don't usually do that. And I will be happy to post these plays, because there's no way the entire Discord, the entire Arca Bulls Discord, there's no way the entirety of the Discord altogether has the power to move the needle here on meta. No way. So this, I couldn't even manipulate it if I wanted to. Rosy Gray Glasses, 56% gains total today so far, and still 20% unsettled cash left to trade. Rosy Gray Glasses, congratulations, man. Off-Grid Gorilla still riding Apple puts, play number 2. December 8th puts at 26%, and yes, day number 4 plus 100% returns on all options plays here. My bro. Yeah, Buzz, we're gonna make him back. Joey Bryson, that is awesome, dude. Look what's happening. It's literally rejecting from our targets. Someone asked me just earlier, like, what it was gonna do upon reaching this. I'm like, damn, bro. I'm like, that's a 10-point move. Guess. This was the thesis from last night, right? Cryptic Trader and I were talking, and he said, dude, meta looks like it could actually make that big move in one session. He goes, pull up the charts, see what you're seeing, chart it out. Let's mention it. And I looked at it. I'm like, man, this is about to fall off a cliff. We got to do it. That kind of conviction, that kind of team. This was a B+ A trade. And why was it an A trade? That's because all of momentum, all of volatility was all proportioned correctly. The break of market structure, coming down beneath major pivots, breaking prior bar lows, breaking prior swing lows, and most importantly, the catalyst. Yesterday, what happened yesterday that was mentioned? What report came in? Let me know in the chat if you know what report came in worse than we thought it was gonna be. Please chat it out right now. Let me know in the chat what report we got yesterday that made the markets shift from bullish to bearish. I know you know, Buzz. That's right. Buzz margin call. That's GDP. What was it? A 5%? 5.4? Or what was it again? It was GDP, team. We got a negative read. And that's right, 5.2. Rosy Gray Glasses, sure, it could have been a combination of all that. So that is how in the Masters course I teach, right? There's not going to be ever a play, at least if you're learning the Arca Bulls system, right? If you're learning the Arca Bulls system, there will never be a play that is going to have an A rating without a fundamental catalyst. So if you're doing only statistical play, if you're doing only technicals, only discretionary like that, without a fundamental catalyst, there is no A trade. So these two, both of these, Apple, and look at Apple still falling from the targets that we entered. We entered here at 189.96. It's currently sitting at 188.32 and still falling, team. Look at where my target is. Okay, so I'm just saying that if you are going to practice, if you're going to learn in the Arca Bulls, in the ArcMastersCourse, you're going to learn how we're able to rate the play. And if we can rate the play, that'll determine how much portfolio exposure you can use per rating. You know what I mean? So that's the way that you're able to determine how strong or just how much portfolio you'll use. So are you going to size up or are you going to size down? Is it a dangerous play? Do we have the fundamental catalyst, right? Do we have momentum, historical volatility? Is it all aligned up? Are we breaking prior range low? You know, all of those things. What is your index looking like? All of those things. We'll learn it together. You're going to be proficient at this. But remember, get in touch with me right here, team, and we'll go ahead and pass you over the enrollment paperwork and all that good stuff. Oh, right. So, team, tomorrow, I'm going to encourage for you to close out your puts and close out your options today. Not financial advice, okay? But I'm going to encourage for you to close out your positions, stay cash, do not trade. One of my personal rules is we don't trade Powell Day. Whenever Fed Chair Powell speaks, I do not trade that entire day. No way, no how. I've learned my lesson way too many times trading on his days. The easier trade comes in after he speaks, the next day. Right? So that's it's just a personal rule of mine. You don't have to do anything I say. I'm just giving you my system, right? And I don't care to say it out loud. It does not matter. Everybody thinks, oh, you know, I can't release my secret sauce. Like, dude, what secret sauce, man? No secret sauce. Don't do that. PCSA, let's take a look at it. What's up, Frankie B? I think I have it. Oh yeah, Katie Cat. That was both Apple and Meta were put plays. Man, if you got the entry from the areas that we spoke of this morning, I mean, Joey Bryson played it just the way it was supposed to be played. What's up, Frankie B? I'm doing good, man. Just celebrating here with the team. One of the team members here absolutely gained the exposure. What the heck is going on? Why is it doing that? Yeah, one of the team members here. I mean, everybody got long puts right on the plays that I put up on Discord for Meta and Apple, but Joey Bryson played it from the top, and he gained a 268% play today. and Off-Grid Gorilla, I think he's up 140% today. Rocca, I think he's up like 40 to 70% or something like that. Lots of wins here, man. I'm very happy. I am very happy. But let's take a look at PCSA. I want to know what this is. I had it saved here. Oh, nice. 700%. Yeah. Rosie Gray Glasses. I spoke about a multiple 100% move. Rocca, you're up 117%, dude. Yeah, Frankie B. Everybody banked out here, man. I am so freaking proud, man, of the team. So Frankie B is saying they laid out perfect timeline between now and mid-December presentation. FDA data drop. They never advertise date. If it's not, so if it's not, what does that say? Stellar? My emoji bar is like in the way. I can't see it. There we go. Oh, if it's not stellar, got it. They never advertised the data if it's not stellar. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, so yeah, let's look at this. Currently sitting 2.05% on the day. And please remember, team, that this was the rare breakout. This is the rare, I gotcha, Frankie. This is the rare breakout that we were speaking of when we were down here. Okay, so we are breaking out of an ascending channel, and the take profit target for this ascending channel, remember, team, it is located at 65 to 67.08. Confluent to the 3.272, but if we're looking at a range high, we're way beyond that. We're approaching the dollar mark at around 90 cents. What the heck is going on? I'm getting this jitter. Like, why is that happening? Hold on, team. Wow. So, okay, that's not the mouse. I just turned it off. Okay, let me try to finish it off like this. Okay, so remember the range number 2 targets that we spoke of, team. We met it today. Congratulations if you are in PCSA. You got your second range targets perfectly in the money. We were talking about 55.87 top. Literally just over the last couple hours, this reached 56, which means that we were 0.0013 cents off from the actual target, right? Which means that if you did have your resistance there for a sell, you got filled. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's jittering like this, man. Let me turn my keyboard off. Definitely not the keyboard either. Okay, so, but we spoke about this. We already knew that we were going to get this zigzag, right? If this, just in case, if it decides to pull back, this is, it doesn't look like it right now either, right? But this would be one of those targets. And it already kind of did pull back to this target today, to 50.98. Right? But if you've been playing this with me, you're in from this here, from 43.19, 42.20, 42.14, right around there. This was our entry here. Okay, so if you're in on this, yeah, you're way in the money, and I think that this still has a massive continuation. So if you're still in it, you're about 50% up in the last 2 days. Or if you played it from a few days ago, from 4 days ago, then you know, yeah, it's still okay. But we met both of the targets for the entry zones. Right, both the bottom side and the top side, the just in case targets, right? So let's read where this thing can be going, though. Let's pull up momentum. Let's get the 30-minute time frame up. Okay. Come on, load it any day now. There we go. So we have a critical upside here on momentum on the 30-minute with expanding volatility. We're about to find a support in the gravitational zone of the RSI, the bull weakness percentile, with still an upside pivot. This is a very strong trend, especially in the 30-minute time frame. We're sitting at 41% ADX. Man, I hate it that I have to like move my mouse so it can stay there. So we're sitting at 41% on the ADX on the 30-minute. That means extremely strong market trend towards the upside. Let's go to the bi-hourly time frame. The bi-hourly time frame may have already gotten its pivot to the downside regarding stochastics, right? So we can look at that by observing the RSI. Notice how the RSI came back down to the gravitational zone, just like we speak of, to get that bounce from the gravitational zone and the SMA 14, before that upside, right? We speak about that all the time, just to point it out. ADX sitting at 33% here, absolutely strong. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Still suggesting upside, still expanding, and the RSI is getting closer to the gravitational zone. ADX is currently sitting at about, it's a little slower here, 17.5%. DMI plus being the bulls on top. Still good, still good. So if we're getting, this is honestly all I'm looking for on a 4-hour time frame. Expanding volatility and upside momentum. That's really all I need in order for me to determine that the upside is more probable than not. And I want you to notice too that we are playing that inverse head and shoulders pretty nicely, right? So we spoke about this and we said the likelihood of finding the downside here, then the upside was great. Lots of things were being used for the bull's perspective here. And also notice that we have a very nice confirmed 4-hour time frame hidden bullish divergence and played out, and it's currently validated. 427 spike. Remember, rosy gray glasses, that the resistance is 445 on FNGR. Frankie B saying 6 trading days until FDA meeting. I have a feeling that this thing is going to pre-price it all the way to beyond 65 cents. And if the FDA day comes in with a positive news, that would be the ripper to $1 on this thing, man. 90 cents to $1. And we shall see. But this is incredibly bullish. The formation itself, both of the formations I'm talking about the inverse head and shoulders and the channel, they are both confluent targets landing at the 3 spot 272 at about 67 cents. 100% powerful here, team. And I like what I'm seeing. There we go. 4-hour time frame now in the gravitational zone. It's getting really close to lunchtime NYSE, team, so we're going to experience some contractions. Things are going to slow down a bit. Then we shall see what happens. Teaser. Watch out now. If there's another entry point on... Yeah. So, I mean, the thing is that the difference from here to here is so damn massive that, okay, so I would try this, Danielle. Okay, paper trade, remember. We're talking about simulator trades here, right? 54 entry. You got a little bit of resistance here, right? We're in the gravitational zone, so this is going to leave pretty soon. So if it does catch a little bit of a downside, a 54-cent target would be one. And then your next target would be right at about... This is so annoying, all this damn jitter. Give me back to 53.05. Wow. Hold on, damn it. Man. I cannot deal with that. I can't see my targets. Dude, that is terrible. What is going on with that? Yeah, my temperature is fine. We're at 87 degrees on the CPU. Okay. I think it was TradingView. Look at this. I'm not getting any jitter anymore. Okay, good. It's just everything's going to be a little slower now. Look at that. Look at the take profit on Meta. Like it never continued downward and it just bounced from the target. And it stayed there. Off-grid Gorilla, no. The bottom target on Apple of the 185, not likely to be today. That's what I was talking about earlier, that this would be a swing play and possibly 2 to 3 days out. The way you can determine that is through the average true range. Right, so Meta has about a $2.30. I gotta get back to PCSA. But yeah, it has about a $2.30 average true range, right? So that means that it technically could do the play in one session, and we were right. So the Apple ATR is slightly lower, right? So actually, let me see what it has. I don't even remember now. Damn it. I'm gonna go ahead and search it up. Let me get rid of this here. And AAPL. Yeah, it's slightly lower. It was 164 average true range. So that just, it drops it by, I mean, a 60% margin. It's likely not going to be able to follow through with this. It would be a 2 to 3 day move. Yeah, teaser, I try to keep it under 80 degrees, but man, I mean, I can probably bring it down to like 85 if I turn Discord off. And also Chrome. I don't absolutely need Chrome. OBS just upgraded their software. They're now adding some of the information from the analytics. Right, so yeah, those are my thoughts on that. Right, so now speaking of or going back to PCSA. Yeah, going back to PCSA here, I do oh man, yeah, it's about to make a decision right now. Let me block the drawings and bring up the LRC. Okay, so in 4 minutes, hold on, hourly time frame. I gotta do the hourly. Okay, here, Danielle, listen to this. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. If the asset does not close above 55.69, this will likely introduce a downside to the range of about 53.34. We were talking about a 54-cent entry. So adjust that to maybe a 53.34, right? But remember, We're entering lunch. We don't trade lunch, so wait for it until afterward, right? The thing is that if you still feel like it's gonna escape the goat here, just if it's gonna go up, use your discretion at that point. But if it does close beneath the regression band, 72% chances that it's a bear play, and it would be a temporary downside. Remember, hourly time frame is just a tiny range here. 3 minutes and 34 seconds left. So you're looking at 53.33 bottom side if it does do that. Right, so Sensei, you think we see 185 Apple? Okay, gotcha, brother. Daniel, you're very welcome. Yeah, teaser, it's a high demand what I'm doing here, man, especially with TradingView having so many tickers up. I can't not have these up, because the thing is that when I have to do my videos, like, I need them to be ready. I would have to pull up every single tab individually, and it does enable. I have TradingView enabled for hardware acceleration. Damn it, man. So now let me. What did we say about GDC? Did we look at that earlier? This is US1, how you doing, my brother? So cool, I got December 8 puts, so going to hold until tomorrow. Yeah, you should be okay. I just don't like holding puts overnight, man. Or options, sorry. So, guys, did we look at GDC today? I don't remember if we did, but let me pull it up. Oh, yeah, that's right. So we were talking about being stuck in a range here. We're potentially finding support here again at 311, right? But I think we just got it too. So the next move here would be to start expanding and then continue on to the upside. Two resistances in the way, 351 to an adjusted 360. Oh, Off-Grid Gorilla, remember that he trades with his mentor during the until about 9 a.m. So yeah, just know that US1. I'm thinking that this is the correction period, right? Look at the 4-hour time frame RSI. It's at support right now. Let's see if it can actually get the support, then bounce to the upside here. And that would mean that we're now, we're going to play from the ABCD strategy. We're at C. We're going to make our way to take a topside for D. You got it, my brother. Not a problem. And let me continue on here. Let's see. Teaser, have you not seen the system I have, bro? The thing is dope. It is nice, dude. Hold on. Yeah, and the only thing is that I have I wish I had a better motherboard so I can use the 13900K Intel i9, but I think I have the 9900K Intel i9, but let's see. And then also VFS. There we go. I just dropped it to 85 degrees using, man. I don't see how I can keep it below that, dude, because, and I have an AIO, right? It is water cooled. Here, I'll shoot a picture for you, man. I'm gonna put it in your Discord, brother. You sent me a picture. Yeah, dude, check it out. Teaser, I sent you a picture, buddy. So, Spy is that a new day low? Okay, man, yeah. Remember I was telling you earlier, Bob, that it would not hold off? That it was not going to be able to do it. It's too much pressure. Right, everything. There it goes, man. So that means that the Apple Play is going to start feeding that downside soon enough too. And Meta is, man, it's about to go below our targets. So I mean, I wouldn't say it's like, dude, I think it's okay. It's not bad. It's the 64 gigs of RAM. That's the newest Radeon 7800 XT, 16 gig. The 9900K with a Corsair AIO, the newest one, the HT150 or I150i or whatever that is, or H150i. I forgot what it is. The motherboard doesn't accept the 13900K. Damn it. Otherwise, I'd already be in it. Ambient temperatures in the room are about 68 to 70 because of the gear inside. Like, oh, dude, jeez, hold on. I'll shoot you a pic of that too. It's gonna be a really wide angle picture. VFS for right. Let me see where finger is. What the heck is it doing? Okay, it's at 415. Where did we get up to? 427, where somebody said, right? Yeah, so it's kind of warm in here if I don't use no, I am not overclocked. I can't afford the temperature. Hold on. Here you go, teaser. It's because I have actual amplifiers and then also I also have the 2 preamp on for the microphone, so I'm like using mad gear. Like, in order for it to sound this clean, I need to put in several dollars for it to sound like that, right? PCSA pushing. Let's go. Nice. Where is it? I want to see. There's the second and third picture, buddy. There it goes, team, and there it goes. So here is the next target, team. Remember that the resistance level we're coming up to is 58.45 to 61.12. Danielle, you're in. Nice. Yeah, I still expect massive upside on this, right? So from let's just say from here, 57 cents, I'm still expecting a top side of around 16%. Not today, but definitely soon. Oh, there it is. Bam! We got the target. Literally just got there. 58.50 high. We were expecting a 58.45. And teaser, Zephram helped me build it, bro. Limited budget, right? Because I would have already bought more stuff, man. It's just, I'll get there though. The thing is that, you see my 49-inch curved, the Odyssey one on top, right? So I just bought another one. I bought the 5K. The 5K 49-inch curve to put under the 49-inch curve that I have. Dude. Yes, teaser, I'm down, bro. And I would really like for you to talk to Zephram, dude. Do you know who he is? Do you know who I'm talking about? The EA Sports champion. He was, I think, number 7 in the American leagues. And he also he's a monster PC builder. But he essentially got on the line with me and helped me build this whole thing, like, from the ground up. And but it was also donated to me from a member. It started out with an older AIO. It started off with a 2800, the RTX 2800, I think. I forgot which one it was. And it was an NVIDIA one. Then we upgraded everything in it, man. and it had a HyperX 16 gigs of RAM. Now it has the Corsair. I forgot which one exactly it was, Extreme or something. And it's at 64 gigs of RAM. But dude, Zephram, dude, you will be massively surprised how much of a monster he is at this stuff. But yeah, team. So we just got our resistance here at 5845. I still am very bullish this asset, right? If you don't remember what play this was, this is the one where I told you that I said I released a video that said rocket emoji, right? I've never titled anything that in my life, right? So, and I really meant it. Teaser, thank you, buddy. All right, so, man, guys, who's in MINM? Green Mountain EFTR? Let me do it for you real quick. And I'm sorry, Daryl, are you in here? I think I just remembered that you asked me about this, and I'm like, EFTR. Let me pull up the daily time frame on this. Daryl, how you doing, buddy? Okay, your VFS? Gotcha. Okay. Are you still long this ticker, or are you trying to find an entry? Huge gap up, man. You're not in yet? Okay. I think that's the best thing you could have done, right? Because the immediate short term, a lot of people try to short these assets when they gap up like that at open. It's a gap up fade play, right? So those are typical. So hourly time frame is still kind of showcasing a downside here. Oh, hold on. Brother, this is bearish. Hold on. Damn it. So this is presently what I'm kind of observing here. I don't like the regression on this. I'm gonna be honest. I think we have to use this. Yeah, I think I'd feel more comfortable if we use that instead, and also a 15-minute time frame. So let me see how tight we can get this. Yeah, it would be this. Okay. And okay, yeah, that's our this is a bit tricky, right? Because this formation, when it's built after an upside or during an upside, this becomes bearish, right? The thing is that it actually dipped first, and during the dip, it created it. So by nature, this is supposed to be a bullish formation because it's built during the downside, right? But also we're presently during an upside. So this is really, really confusing. Okay, I wouldn't doubt if our daily was a freaking indecision candle, and it is. Look at it. It's a massive spinning top doji, huge indecision, and I was able to tell it from the 15-minute time frame, because there's no way in hell that anybody can determine whether this is going to go up or down. This is not clear. Okay, so let me but I can give you damn. I was going to say I can give you probabilities if we're above moving averages, but we're in between two major ones and two major ones under and two major ones on top. The EMA 55 and the EMA 21 are my pairs, right? And it just so happens to be that the SMA 50 and the SMA 10 are within each other's differences. So that's to add more into the indecision. No. Okay, immediate short-term time frame. Resistance coming up between 883 and about 897. The best guess that we can do for this would be using the LRC and an hourly. 47 minutes left to close. If this closes below 852, it's going to introduce a bearish play and it's likely to break down. Okay, so, but if it does close above 852, then this has a shot to at least get the resistance at the SMA 10 or the regression before maybe finding one more candle and then making another decision. It's a lot tougher to get to the upside on here. I have to be honest. Okay, so that's like my prognosis. This one's very tough to read, my brother, and usually when I don't have a definitive direction, I stay away. Right? We don't want to get close to gambling here. Off-grid gorilla, kick you in the butt. No. And EFTR is now actually playing the downside. It failed. Look at this. This was supposed to be a bullish play. Can't tell nowadays, man. So completely failed. I mean, we did mention it too. We did mention that that this is a bullish formation, but it can obviously play towards the downside too. So let's grab those targets now. The breakdown candle would have been, it's over, oh man, that's a daily candle. Okay, let's just say that it was this one here. And of course, it got the take profit already. So candle number one definitely got the take profit. Right, now let's get candle number two. Take profit number two. That would be 46.72. Take profit three. That would be 39.77. So this pretty much broke down, validated resistance, and now it's suggesting a continuation to the way down. And wow, and it definitely has the daily time frame SMA 50 death cross. But that happened on October 19th. Let me see if it got another one though. No, let me use the 3-day. Okay, on the 3-day time frame, we just converted the SMA 10 into a resistance. Yeah, damn it. The downside here is more relevant than not, and I think the weekly, actually, wow, is it going to be really the bi-weekly? Not even the bi-weekly. I'm looking for the support from the RSI, and there it is on the damn monthly. Okay, yeah, the probabilities of this hitting 39.90 are very high. And I don't know how fast it's going to do it, but it's absolutely in that direction. And we're expanding, and I'm on a monthly. Man, I would tread very carefully on this one, okay, team? I do not see an upside on this. It may have little blips here and there, but that's about it. Was it AMPE, my bro? Did we get the bounce that we were looking for, Sebastian? Dude, it's also like, what time is it where you are, man? Okay, so 12-hour resistance at the SMA 200. Yeah, definitely resistant on the... yeah, nice. Okay. Hold on, you guys. Oh my goodness in heaven, I can't tell you how good that felt. I ate a muffin this morning and I had like a cashew or a macadamia or something stuck on my tooth. And I remember my my little lady, she told me I put your the Colgate toothpick things in your toiletry bag. So I looked in the toiletry and I'm like, oh my God, it's right there. So I just said, hold on, team, because I needed to get that thing out, and it happened. Oh, immediate gratification. Sorry, you guys. Completely off topic here, man. Anyway, Sebastian. Yeah, it is looking good. I do think that you have... we were reading the upside from the 4 hours. So, and we were saying, that the 4 hour time frame may be all that we need for a continuation. But I will say that having these long wicks to the upside is not always the best look. But we do have 3 knocks on that 4 hour SMA 200 door, right? So if we can get it, and honestly, we're entering the bullish control zone here on stochastics on the 4 hour with expanding volatility even still. I think that this is going to break out of that SMA 200 on the 4 hour and then continue onwards and upwards. May not be today, but, after lunch, it could start being probable. I like it, my bro. I definitely do. Okay. Coin is feeling that pressure. Spy is rugged. Is it really? I wonder if that was the Apple play bringing it down. Let me see. FNGR at 420, not bad. COSM at 105, still holding. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's freaking holding. Sorry, I just wanted to look at. Oh, man. Look at that. We're getting so close to the target here on stall, right? We literally spoke about this downside days ago. So, ASRE is sitting at 37 even still. Meta recovering just a little bit here, but I think that because we're getting this downside on the SPY, things are going to start suffering. So where's Apple? Yeah, Apple is starting to fail too. At least in the 5-minute time frame, it is coming back down. So let's see the hourly. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, man. This may have a shot to close beneath the regression of 188.24. And if it does, then more downside it'll be. US 1, I completely agree. Really? Kitties never die. Is that true? You were looking for... Yeah, no. No. The puts are the way to go here, man. But yeah, at this point, I didn't know what the market was gonna do. After a 10-point drop on Meta. I felt silly saying it too. I felt silly kind of admitting to that, like saying like, guys, I don't know. But I am telling you that it's going to drop 10 points. But I don't know what it's going to do after that. It's massive, it's huge. Man. Oh, goodness. Okay, so yeah, the thing is that if Apple continues to the upside and then closes beneath this zone of 188.81, then that becomes a bearish play too. So yeah, but the thing is that the closer it gets to this target, to the one down here at about 188.24 or whatever that was, if it does close above it, slightly above it, then it becomes a bullish play. But to meet the resistance from the other. Just literally this candle here, like that. Is that why you think it's falling, Rosy Gray Glasses? Wow. Oh, nice. That's the 5-minute time frame. Let me see it. Yeah, still on a descent here. It feels like it's set. See, this thing is trying to do like a breakout from a wedge on a 5-minute, but that's not going to last too long. It's literally doing this. This here. So we have the breakout, test, and a potential test. So this may have an upside again to like 188.75, but that's just another lower high. And then it'll just continue downwards. Yeah, eyeballs on Apple though, but I'm still very bearish the asset. Yeah. GDP yesterday, you guys, it was kind of a shocker to the markets. And now we could be pre-pricing in what we feel Jerome Powell may say tomorrow. That man literally moves markets. So Rosy Gray Glass is saying 6 hours ago, there was news of Meta's Threads to launch in Europe. Perhaps people expect it to fall. My goodness. Can you tell that he FOMO'd into that name a little bit? He FOMO'd into Meta because of the metaverse. And then AI came out beating all that. So yeah, I think Apple is still set to do its little dance. So let me go to the hourly time frame linear regression, because that's 35 minutes out. It could close above the 188.23, and it could just resist where we said, right at around 188.44. Nice. Really? You're saying PCSA? What was the resistance target that we were talking about prior to this? Here we go. Nice. There you go, team. Look at that. We now have conquered the second range, or the third range of resistance. Congratulations. And here is the next target, right? Remember, 65.01 to 67.08 is what I'm looking for resistance, and that would be the inverse head and shoulders, right? The one right over here. That's going to be its psychological price objective. And let me get rid of the LRC. And also the ascending channel, the formation take profit, right? From the top side to the bottom side, we apply that trend to the breakout candle, and it led to a confluent target. Here we go. First take profit 65.01 to 67.08. But please remember that I said that as this gets closer to that catalyst or whatever they're talking about, I am expecting a 90 cent to $1 resistance on this play. Damn, 1:25 a.m., bro. Man, off-grid gorilla. But yeah, team. So Danielle, how far up are you now? Let me see. Just a moment, team. Okay. Nice. A good guess, teaser. 13% up. That is amazing. Yeah, Danielle, it's just a massive play, right? It's and I still look. What I am going to tell you is that I know that you know there could be high conviction here to continue playing. Because are you options or are you shares? I'm very glad you did. Coin off-grid gorilla. I am not the biggest fan of holding options contracts overnight, much less over the weekend. You're in shares. Okay, good. But if we were to determine here what that downside was, then let me use a higher time frame. Let's see the daily. Is it crossing below? Oof. The daily time frame RSI may be displaying that the downside could be over, but if it does fall beneath the SMA 14 even more, then there could be a further downside, considering the bi-daily distance between the SMA 14 pink and the RSI signal's teal blue line. And if that's the case, then we can determine that to be at about 114.33 at the very lowest point, to about 117.06. Yeah, I totally hear that. I hear that, man. Sebastian, I was talking to you, buddy. I 100% understand. Just a sec. Let me take a look at. Yeah, 30 minutes left to close Apple. It's feeling like it may actually close beneath that. Above this trend line. So it could be a short-term upside, but I am still very bearish. I am maintaining bearish, and to be honest with you, it's. I don't think there's any reason for this to be for it to go up. So I agree, but I have huge success doing this on all BTC related assets for 2+ years. And the thing is that BTC, I'm expecting that thing to go to around 43 or 44,000. So when you put it like that, sure. I'm very bullish BTC. And I do think that coin can make its way in about a month or 2 months, maybe up closer to $200 or 200. But so far the play has worked out, right? We signaled that potential entry at $99, $98 to 101 to 101, and we were talking about a 130 resistance, which we got perfectly, and then we were talking about a 149.60 to 150 resistance pullback. That's the next potential, right? And then I'm thinking that this can go up to about it's like 189 to 197, somewhere like that, so, somewhere around there. Sebastian, I don't have access to my dash trader right now. I can't see. I will be able to see my level 2 tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, I think the weekend price action in BTC, not something I like to consider. I like to consider more of a Bitcoin CM futures. Right, but yeah, I think that there could be a gap up, and coin could actually bring some more volatility to those contracts. So if you get, we were talking about a potential entry at around 117.06 to 114, right? The asset dropped to a low of 118. So if you do find resistance at this 124.80 and it makes its way down one more time to that 117 or maybe even that 118, find them there. But otherwise, your entry around here is just fine. I know, man. Sebastian, Zephram, and Cryptic, they're like low-key whales. But Off-Grid Gorilla, I completely agree with you, brother. If you don't find a discount, I think you'll be fine regardless. But yeah, you guys. So I'm very happy for all of you today. Super happy. Okay, you guys. So let's see, KD, I'm in at 40 cents PCSA, small amount. When you see a $1 price target, where do you see re-entry if you take profit soon on PCSA? So my resistance is actually take profit at 65.01 to 67.08. Right, so aside from the resistances that already kind of played out, right? So this would be my top side target. So meaning that we could get a slight pullback from the 67 cent or 65. It's a 65.01 to 67.08. For it to come back down into this zone again, 61.12 to 58.45. So there could be a run of another 16% up, profit take, re-enter another 13% to 14% down at 61 or 60. 58.45 to 61.12. And then and then it would long here. I honestly think my top side targets are around there, brother. Like here it is, like 94 to 102. That's like right around where I'm looking at. I don't know what it's gonna do after that though. No idea, but for sure a massive pullback from there, as these are two very relevant highs and very, very, very strong areas of resistance. That's I can't even get on it. Hold on. Yeah, 105 top there, 102 top. So that would be, I guess it would be the top side of this though. Let me 90 to 105. I'll put it there. There we go. $30-minute SPY chart. Nice. It's feeling bearish. Jeez, it's gonna capitulate some more again. I can't believe that it would, man. Ooh. Yeah, that's right, man. Apple getting really close here. Ian Tucker, love you, buddy. I'll catch you later, man. No way, really? It's DBGI? Yeah, 20 up 21.75%. Wow. Super volatile. Interesting. Yeah, I remember this. I remember this digital brand sticker, right? It's never seen an upside, really, right? It's just been on a downtrend its entire life. So I wouldn't trust this upside beyond what it is just for today and maybe tomorrow. But I think the majority of that upside move could have already been done, unless they announce something with that. Yeah, with the good earnings. So, Katie Cat, I'm sorry, what do you mean? Oh, Bob, that is so nice of you, my bro. What? Thank you so much, brother. Oh, no way. Is it really 43? Dude. Bob, that's amazing, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you so greatly. And that's not the end of it yet, man. Not yet, right? For now, while I'm not actually trading, man, but my dash trader's coming in tomorrow. I'm just going to have to adjust like you would in a car, right? I'm going to have to adjust the mirrors, adjust the seat. The tilt, your just everything about it. You just have to make it you. So in other words, I have to set my hotkeys up, all the algos. All the windows that I need, if I'm going to be even reading a tape at all of that stuff, I have to figure it out, right? So it's going to take some time. But then I'm going to reach an area to where I'm going to have to really be trading here because I have to trade. I have to trade, team. So for now, you have me. You've had me now for months and months. But it's coming to the time to where we're going to have to trade strictly. And that's not the end of Arca Bulls whatsoever. In fact, it's going to be the beginning of a new phase. Oh, so it was the reverse split that got you. CLNV buyers sitting on the level 2 for 1.2 million shares at 5 cents, 5.10. Time to fly. Oh my goodness. DBGI moving onwards. Now it's up 33% up on the day. Bob saying I'm on your Discord now, but not seeing your notes or callouts. I do see your videos. Am I missing? Hold on, let me go to the Discord. I know. It can be a little confusing for new people. Are you C? Is that you? Or are you Tony? I can't read the name, but it's C. Yeah, I mentioned it in options play. In options play is the hidden agenda. You think so, brother? I let it go, man. That's my official warning. I had to, man. I had to. Who I'm loyal to is not an individual entity. I am loyal to retail, which is what I do, man. This is why I do what I do. You know what I mean? So, but I hear you, brother. Bob, I'm asking you, what is your username? Are you Bob or are you C? Who are you in Discord? Let's see. Should be Bob. Okay. Let me find you. I'm gonna go into options, please. Okay, so I have a few Bobs here. I have a Bob Smith, Bob XB98, Bobby Karates, Bob W, and just a B. Is Bob spelled backwards? So, yeah, let me know. Man, sometimes that error pops up for other people too. I've noticed that some other people end up just creating a whole other account. So, Bob, would you, yeah, I need to know which one you are, buddy. And I can go to the landing pad, actually. Let me see. I'm gonna add Bob. Let me see. Are you Bob Joseph? Is it a yellow picture? Mike J. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Really appreciate you. I hope they bring you fortune, my brother. DBGI is 0 to borrow. My goodness. And it had a good earnings report too, Frankie B. Apparently that's why it's running. When I signed up, it gave me incredible lamb. Incredible lamb. Oh my goodness. So going back to PCSA, let's see if it reached the top size now. Okay, yeah, we're almost there. The next resistance 6501 to 6708. It's playing out very nicely. There's another one. Let's see. Frankie B, which what's the ticker again? Sorry. Teaser saying I want PCSA at 3. Is that too much to ask? Oh, dude. For now, yes. Oh, that one, Off-Grid Gorilla. Yes, I remember. I want to chart it out, but I couldn't find it. Is it maybe MYA? Oh, Frankie B, DBGI is DBGI halt? No way. Oh my goodness. Where were we on this? I think we were just here on that. So man. Yeah, getting that 427 to 364, it would. That's a long way down. Teaser, I appreciate you so much, dude, for helping Bob out with the So let me see if you're still in there as incredible nothing. Yeah, no. So in nothing under incredible, maybe. Hold on. Let me see Bob up here. Yeah, no, nothing yet. I don't see you yet. I don't see you there yet, buddy. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, Katie Cat, I did, but it was it was a short-term upside. It was not meant to be like a huge reversal or anything like that. Oh, there it was. So in 13 minutes, if this closes beneath 188.84, then it's bearish. Rocka, okay. I got bamboozled into using the premium for one reason. For all of this that you see up here, all of these tabs, I can do unlimited chart saves, but not. I can only do 50 tabs on top, and that's just because of the usage. Take care, Danielle. You got it. You got it. I will give the little guy a kiss for you. Yeah, team. So this, as it gets closer to this regression band, it's going to become more and more relevant to a short play. Yeah, no, I think the Pro Plus would be like the best because you get 10 charts. And I don't know if you've noticed this, but every single play we talk about every day, I'm using one chart, Master Layout 3. And the only reason I have a Master Layout 3 is because Master Layout 1, I already charted so many notes that I wanted to keep. So then I did Master Layout 2 of the same tickers that I keep on getting requested for, but I use it based on request. All right, team, I want to... Let's see. Hold on just a moment. Okay. So, yeah. Teaser, I appreciate you so much, man. I really love that you're helping. Yeah. So the take profit for the Apple play. And that would be insinuating that the markets would still continue to a downside, but I'm very bearish the markets. So, breakout candle. Yeah, it's possible that we can even get a 188.92 entry. And that's yeah. Just in case. But remember that the hourly time frame linear regression band is located at 188.83. So that's I'm saying that we could get maybe that 188.89, but that's in 9 minutes and 59 seconds. So if we don't get that close, if we get a close here beneath 188.84, then it's going to belong to the bears. It may still go up to that 188.90, but no guarantee. It's probably going to continue to fall after that take profit. Drop. Wow. Yeah, I imagine it's getting a lot of pressure up here. Still looking okay from my end though. Okay, you guys. So, no, I was going to tell you, team, that let's go ahead and close off the stream here. I really need to prepare some stuff for my little guy. Running a little short in time right now, right? Gotta go to a Christmas party tomorrow night with for my wife's work. Right, team? But I very much appreciate everybody for coming on by. I love that we were able to win all together today, team. You have no idea how good I feel. I love it when the team wins. All right, you guys. So, any questions, please let me know. And remember to reserve your seats for that master's course, and we'll be good. Rocco, you're the man, buddy. Off-Grid Gorilla, appreciate you. Katie Cat Audios Teaser, thank you so much for helping Bob, my brother. Rocco, I'm going to catch you later. Frankie B. And, yeah, you guys, Ian Tucker, if you're still in there. Mike J, I think you already left, right? But Steve Mertz, adios, you guys. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, never, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your day, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.